Ever wondered how you can enhance your lifestyle while on a budget? Welcome, and rest assured, you're in the right place. Today we're exploring a number of strategies that can help you live better without breaking the bank. These aren't your typical budgeting tips. Instead, we're focusing on community-driven and sustainable practices that not only save you money, but also enrich your life in the process. From swapping services using time as currency in local time banks to pet sitting for free accommodation, we're revealing some unique ways to stretch your budget. We'll also delve into more sustainable practices like rainwater harvesting and zero-waste cooking. If you're open to bigger changes, we'll explore geo-arbitrage, and for those with a green thumb, green collaborating might just be your cup of tea. Stick around and we'll reveal exactly what that is. Lastly, we'll discuss how participating in clinical trials can offer financial compensation. Ready to dive in? Here's the first strategy. First up, time banking. It's a community-driven way to swap services using time as currency. Imagine a world where an hour of gardening equals an hour of guitar lessons. That's time banking for you. It's an innovative concept where time is the only currency. You exchange services based on the time spent rather than the monetary value of the service. So, how does it work? You start by joining a local time bank, a group of people who exchange services. Then, you list the services you can offer and the ones you need. For every hour you spend providing a service, you earn a time credit. You can then spend this credit to receive services from others in the bank. But it's not just about the exchange. It's about the relationships you build along the way. Time banking values skills and fosters community connections. It's a wonderful way to meet new people, learn new skills, and help others in your community. Next, pet and house sitting. A win-win for travelers and homeowners. This smart strategy allows you to enjoy the comforts of a home away from home, while also securing yourself a furry companion to keep you company. But how do you go about it? It's simple. You can sign up on dedicated platforms that connect homeowners with potential sitters. These platforms have a wide range of assignments, so you're sure to find one that fits your schedule. Once you've found a suitable assignment, all you have to do is ensure that the pets and homes are well cared for. It's a responsibility, yes, but one that comes with its perks. Imagine waking up in a quaint countryside cottage, or a sleek city apartment with a cat purring at your feet or a dog wagging its tail in excitement. It's the perfect way to explore new places affordably. Rainwater harvesting can slash your water bill and conserve resources. It's a practice that dates back centuries, and it's as effective today as it was back then. But how does it work? Well, it's quite simple. You collect rainwater from the roof of your home, using a system of gutters and pipes that direct the water into a storage tank. Once collected, this water can be used for a variety of purposes. You can use it to irrigate your garden, wash your car, or even flush your toilets. It's an excellent way to reduce your reliance on municipal water and, in turn, shrink your water bill. Moreover, rainwater harvesting helps conserve our precious water resources. It reduces the pressure on our water supply system and promotes a more sustainable use of water. And the best part, it's a relatively simple and cost-effective method that anyone can implement. So, why not give it a try? It's a simple step towards a more sustainable home. Consider geo-arbitrage to live better for less. Quite a statement, isn't it? But what exactly does it mean? Geo-arbitrage is a concept where you leverage the cost of living differences between areas to stretch your dollar. You could be living in a high cost of living area, and by moving to a lower cost area, you can significantly reduce your expenses. Imagine living in a bustling city with sky-high living costs. Now picture yourself relocating to a tranquil countryside, or a different country where your expenses are halved, but your quality of life remains the same, or even improves. Sounds appealing, right? You could be sipping a cup of coffee in a cozy cafe in Vietnam, or enjoying a serene walk along a beach in Mexico, all while living comfortably within your means. This strategy isn't just for retirees. It's for anyone who's looking for a change and is open to new experiences. Whether it's moving within your country or abroad, geo-arbitrage can be a game changer. Zero-waste cooking is all about minimizing food waste. Let's delve into the world of resourceful culinary creativity, where nothing goes to waste. Instead of tossing those carrot tops or onion skins, consider the potential they hold. They could be the base for a hearty vegetable broth, infusing your soups with a depth of flavor that store-bought versions can't replicate. Now, what about that stale bread sitting on your counter? Rather than bidding it goodbye, dice it up, toss it in some olive oil and herbs, and bake it. Voila! You've got homemade croutons, perfect for salads or snacking. And don't forget about those overripe bananas. They might not look appetizing, but they're the secret ingredient to the moistest banana bread you've ever tasted. Zero-waste cooking is a journey of discovery, transforming overlooked scraps into culinary treasures. It's not just about saving money, it's about respecting our resources. It's economical and eco-friendly. Green collaboration, or community gardening as it's commonly known as, offers fresh produce and savings on groceries. But what exactly is it? Well, it's a collective effort where people come together to cultivate a shared plot of land. Each member contributes their time and effort, and in return, they reap the rewards of fresh, homegrown produce. To get involved, you can start by finding a local community garden. Many towns and cities have them, and they're always looking for enthusiastic green thumbs. If there isn't one nearby, why not start your own? Rally your neighbors and find a suitable plot of land. The benefits of community gardening are immense. Not only does it provide access to fresh, organic produce, but it also helps to build strong community ties. It's an opportunity to learn new skills, share knowledge, and foster a sense of communal responsibility. So, you see, it's about more than just food. It's about connection. Participating in clinical trials can offer financial compensation and access to new treatments. For those unfamiliar, clinical trials are research studies performed in people that are aimed at evaluating a medical, surgical, or behavioral intervention. They are the primary way that researchers discover whether a new treatment, like a drug or diet or medical device, is safe and effective in people. Often conducted in phases, these trials can last anywhere from a few weeks to several years. Participants are usually compensated for their time, and sometimes for the inconvenience of any procedure that may be performed. Now, it's essential to note that every clinical trial comes with potential risk. These might include side effects of the treatment being tested, or the treatment might not be effective for the participant. Yet by participating in a clinical trial, you contribute to medical research and possibly find solutions to health challenges. It's a way to contribute to medical research and possibly find solutions to health challenges. There you have it, a whole range of unique strategies to budget and enhance your lifestyle. From the community-driven concept of time banking, where you can swap services using time as your currency, to the exciting adventure of pet and house sitting that allows you to explore new places while enjoying free accommodation. Each of these ideas offers a unique way to make the most of what you have and create a fulfilling lifestyle. Each of these strategies is a step towards a more sustainable, fulfilling life. They are not just about saving money, but also about valuing skills, fostering community connections, exploring new places, conserving resources, and contributing to medical research. So why not give them a try? You might discover a new passion, learn a new skill, meet new people, or even change your life for the better. We'd love to hear which strategy you're excited to try. Drop a comment below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips on living your best life on a budget. Until next time, happy budgeting.